marks 25 years since a deadly tornado hit the city and surrounding areas. 2 people died, 21 more were hurt, and 7 counties were declared federal disaster areas with over $235 million in damage.
Meteorologist Chris Reese dug through the 5 Eyewitness News archives, and today he looks back at what happened and what we can learn from it.
It was a quarter century ago on a Sunday afternoon, 2 weeks before Easter. What started as a sunny morning,
everything just dark up. You see this big black cloud. You can see the wind just switch around up the sky,
twisting into nature's fury.
While we were sitting outside, I was watching. I seen a tornado drop down.
The first tornado, March 29, 1998, touched down near Lismore in Nobles County. But it was another storm brewing just to the north that would change the landscape.
Sirens were going off and nobody was really taking it seriously.
The F4 tornado was on the ground for over an hour, 67 miles, devastating the town of Comfrey. It would dissipate just west of Nicollet before touching down again east of Nicollet and striking St. Peter as an F3, with winds topping 200 miles per hour.
Worst thing that ever happened in my 60 years living around here.
Tornadoes in Minnesota are a common occurrence. The state averages 46 tornadoes a year, but most of them occur between May and August, with June and July being the peak months. March typically averages 1 tornado, but the St. Peter tornado in March of '98 was one of 14 tornadoes that would strike southern Minnesota that afternoon. For what could cause such an extreme outbreak so early in the year, we look first to the ocean. The winter of '97-'98 featured above average warming of waters off the coast of Peru and South America, or an El Nino. This led to a mild December, January, and February. March was 1 degree colder than average, but just 3 days before the outbreak, a strong warm front brought multiple days of temperatures in the 60s and 70s, setting the stage for an unstable atmosphere. An area of low pressure moved into that instability, triggering the tornado outbreak. This March has been on the colder side of the spectrum and could go out with more snow later this week. Still, it's a good reminder that severe weather season is quickly approaching, and as my time in the archives has reminded us, it could arrive quickly. In Minneapolis, Chris Reese, 5 Eyewitness News.